All right, so I'm going to show you how you can build your own custom view. So this is a view of room AED 109A. And I know that we've got some other rooms, like let's take a look at an item. So AED 110. So we're going to try and make one from AED 110. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to calendar, and I'm going to say I want to create a view, because this is the current view. I'm in AED 109A, and I want to make a new one. So I say create view, and I want to make a calendar view. You can make these just as well with standard list views, but we're going to do a calendar view. So I'm going to say calendar view, and we're going to call this room AED 110. We're not going to make it the default view, but we're going to make it public. You can make personal views that are not available to anybody besides yourself. So if you have something that nobody else is going to use, you're going to want to check this box down here. But generally, you're going to want to make public views. Time intervals, begin time is begin time, end time is end time. Don't mess with that. Calendar columns, I'm going to leave these things as is. Month view title, week view title, just leave them unlisted. Default scope, I'm going to set it month, but yeah, you could absolutely set this for a week view if you want to look at the information that way. I'm going to stick with months for now, but the filter is really where we're going to go. So I'm going to say MS venue choice, right here, MS venue choice. I'm going to say that it contains AED 110. Because there can be multiple rooms in there, you can't say if it's equal to AED 110, because then what if it's AED 110 and AED 109A? You want it to say when MS venue contains AED 110. You can add additional requirements here. So if you wanted to say this and the item is approved, you would change this to and then you would say approval status is equal to approved. But we don't want to do that. We want to show all things whether they're approved or not. So we have no additional conditions. Don't worry about the mobile section. You will hit OK, and you could say boom. Now we're seeing the AED 110 stuff. To switch between views, you go up to calendar, and you can look here. And I named this one room calendar 109A and this one room AED 110. I think shorter is better. So I'm going to come to my other calendar, and you can always go to the calendar tab and modify a view and do things like change the name of the view. Now it is room 109A. It's better to pick the right thing the first time, because even if you do change the name, the URL stays the same. So it's probably better for me to modify view and since I didn't do this right the first time, I'm going to actually delete the view. And then I'm going to say, hey, room AED 110, that makes a lot of sense. I like how it looks in the URL. If I want to bookmark this or email somebody on my team. So I'm going to say create view, calendar view, room AED 109A. And the only thing I need to change in this instance is where MS venue choice contains AED 109A. And now I've got this nice consistent URL structure, this nice consistent naming structure between my rooms. And I like having room : or something : at the beginning. That way it'll keep all of your rooms together, because this is always going to sort alphabetically, and you're not going to have like the AEDs way up here at the top, and then the Bayard Sharp further down, and then Puglisi, like way towards the bottom. Having room : and then everything will keep all of your views together. I don't know that there's a limit to the number of views, so I think you can go crazy with this and make as many as you like. But that's what we've got. I hope you like it.